Hello everyone, my name is Roushanak and today we are diving into LangChain. Before we jump into a practical example, first we explore what LangChain is and how it works. And then in the tutorial, I'll show you how to build a personalized recipe recommender using LangChain. LangChain was founded in October 2022 by Harrison Chase while working at the machine learning startup called Robust Intelligence. The primary reason for its creation was to address the growing complexity of building applications with large language models, or in short, LLMs. So, what exactly is LangChain? I want you to imagine a kitchen. You have a variety of ingredients, which can be your LLMs, GPT-4, Llama 3, Gemini, and so on. But you need a recipe. So LangChain can be that recipe to combine the ingredients effectively. LangChain is a Python library that acts as a framework for building applications powered by LLMs. It provides a structured way to connect and orchestrate different components, making it easier to create complex applications. LangChain is like a Swiss Army knife for AI development. It's this awesome open source framework sitting right at the center of everything you see here. LangChain lets developers create cool applications powered by LLMs, such as chatbots or question answering systems. And the magic is how it connects all these pieces together. The document loaders, vector stores, prompts, different LLMs, chains, and agents. It's basically making it super easy to combine language models with other data sources and computations. So you can load documents, store information properly, craft smart prompts, and even set up AI agents that make decisions. At the end, I can say that LangChain is the glue that holds all these powerful components together, letting you build advanced AI apps without starting from scratch. Let's explore some common patterns you'll encounter when working with LangChain. These patterns can help you build your complex and effective AI applications. The first pattern is incorporating external data. So, one of the strengths of LangChain is its ability to integrate with external data sources. This can be especially useful when you need to provide the model with the latest information. For example, you can connect LangChain to a database or API to fetch relevant data and include it in your prompts. So the second pattern, I call it multiple LLM calls. Sometimes a single LLM call may not be sufficient to achieve your desired outcome. And LangChain allows you to have multiple calls to your large language models. This is particularly useful for tasks like summarizing large documents or generating creative content. As for the pattern 3, I say chaining multiple models. So you can also use LangChain to combine and chain multiple models, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. This happens where the output of one LLM model becomes the input to the next. Now for the fun part, let's get coding. In this hands-on tutorial, we'll build a personalized recipe recommender using LangChain and Vertex AI. As I said before, LangChain provides a powerful toolkit for connecting LLMs with other data sources and tools, while Vertex AI offers access to advanced models like Gemini Pro, which I'm going to use. So, why Vertex AI? because Vertex AI simplifies deployment and management of LLMs, making them readily available for applications like ours. So before we jump into the code, ensure you have a Google Cloud account. Sign up for free at cloud.google.com if you don't have one yet. And the good news is that new users get $300 in free credit to try Google Cloud products and build a proof of concept. Once you signed in, you need to go to console by clicking here and create a new project, or use your previous ones from here. From the search bar, search for Vertex AI Colab Enterprise, and you will see this page where you can create your new Colab notebooks under your selected project. Great, now let's jump into the code. I've prepared a short script to demonstrate the basic workflow. We'll start by installing the necessary libraries. The first one is Google Cloud AI Platform for interacting with Vertex AI, and the second one is LangChain for our core language model integration. Next, we import the libraries that we've installed. We'll be using Vertex AI from LangChain Google Vertex AI to connect to Vertex AI, and prompt template from LangChain prompts to structure our requests. Here we create a Vertex AI object specifying Gemini Pro as our model. We can set the max output tokens parameters to control the length of the model's responses. Here, let's see a simple example. We will ask the model a basic question, which here I'm asking, for example, what is the benefit of low-carb diet? And then it displays the response. Note that this part helps us send the message to the model and get the response. For longer responses, we can use the stream function. This lets us display the model's output as it's generated, chunk by chunk, giving us a more interactive experience. And we can see the nice structured response to my question of benefits of low-carb diet, things to consider, and so on. Now we'll introduce a prompt template. This helps us structure our request to the model in a more flexible way. We define a template with placeholder values for different parts of the request, such as the dish name, ingredients, instructions, and other parameters. We combine the prompt template with the Gemini language model using the chain operator, creating a chain that automatically formats the prompt with our input and sends it to the model for processing. We can now use this chain to generate custom responses based on our request. Here we are creating a new food recipe, but we can easily adopt this for other tasks like writing stories or creating code. And that's it. And that's a wrap. You've explored the powerful capabilities of LangChain and how it can revolutionize LLM's development. Feel free to experiment with different components, create innovative applications, and join the LangChain community. Thank you for watching. Happy learning and happy creating with LangChain.